The rich mineral belt of the west coast of Tasmania was first discovered around 1880. At the same time, on the other side of the world in Norway, the company Kverneland was formed, initially manufacturing agricultural tools. Today, Kverneland's offspring company KVX is supplying ground-engaging tools to the construction and mining industry worldwide. Komatsu Limited was so impressed with the KVX's technology and success that they purchased a 100% shareholding in KVX in the late 1990s, and KVX now serves the needs of the Tasmanian sector through Komatsu Australia. Set against the background of Tasmania's World Heritage, the Rosebery area continues to be one of the world's leading deposits of copper, lead and zinc, with a monthly output of 250,000 cubic metres of ore. It is an underground operation with an on-site mill. Dave Capel is the mine's maintenance supervisor.
I'm maintenance foreman for Barminco on the Rosebery site. We first started using the KVX probably 2001 at Renison Bell, so I've been involved in it about 4 years.
Barminco is the underground mining contractor and currently uses the KVX G.E.T. system. The adoption of the system followed an extensive evaluation period comparing the KVX G.E.T. system with both the conventional tooth systems and shroud systems, which indicated significant savings in material and maintenance costs. Barminco is using Cat Elphinstone's R2900 underground wheel loaders for loading and handling this material. A number of 3.2 metre wide buckets with capacities of 8.1 cubic metres and 8.6 cubic metres are rotated among the loaders. Komatsu is supplying KVX weld-on main lips for the buckets with bolt-on edges and corner systems. Both the edges and the main lip are made of Norwegian-developed G.E.T steel, which is through-hardened to between 500 and 600 Brunel, compared with conventional lips which generally have a hardness of around 260 Brunel. The KVX wear edges bolt onto the main lip using special bolts which are tensioned to very high torque. Once the edges wear almost to the bucket lip, they are rotated so that the section of edge that was previously facing towards the back of the bucket becomes the new ground-engaging section. According to Dave, the KVX system offers significant advantages over conventional G.E.T. systems. These include reduced maintenance costs due to longer life between turning, substantially increased wear life, and improved wear characteristics.
We get around about 1,000 hours out of a cutting edge, fairly trouble-free as long as you turn them around about 400 to 500 hours, you turn them round, and you get a really good run out of them there.
Management plays a key role in the success of any system, and the logging of hours and adherence to the manufacturer's recommendations is paramount in capitalising on the quality of the product.
Yeah, KVX is really good with penetration. It's ideal for us for cleaning up faces and get a nice clean face for the jumbo to come in. We don't get very much tire spin at all.
Because the edges bolt directly to the lips using very highly torqued bolts, there is no need to use adapters or retaining lug systems, significantly increasing the amount of wear material available while reducing the number of components required. With the KVX system, the edges can wear almost all the way to the main lip. Downtime for unscheduled maintenance means downtime for productivity, a major consideration for any production, let alone one with such high costs as mining. This is where the KVX system really earns its keep. And because the corners and edges are tensioned to such a high torque, there is very little likelihood they will come loose. This is a major selling point of the KVX system, since a loose bolt or unreliable retaining mechanism can not only cause major problems within the crushing process, but can cause a total disruption of the entire milling process. Such disruptions present huge productivity losses and subsequent cost overruns for the whole mine. Since taking on the KVX system, Barminco has lifted production from 5 million tonnes of material a year to 9 million tonnes, which represents a productivity increase of 30% per annum. Some 55 kilometres further south, Barminco is also the underground mining contractor at the Mount Lyell copper mine. Here the productivity story is much the same as at Rosebery. Mount Lyell's maintenance supervisor is Bernard Shields.
I'm actually employed as a maintenance foreman. We maintain all the mobile plant, loaders, boggers, trucks, all the live vehicles, get the whole shooting match basically, yeah.
The productivity gains achieved at Mount Lyell by Barminco is in line with their operation at Rosebery, lifting outputs to 2.8 million tonnes over the past year. It is no coincidence that here Barminco also uses the KVX system.
We've been running KVX for quite a few years here now, and it seems to get the job done. It's fairly reliable. We don't have any real problems with it. It's basically maintenance free. You know, you put it on the service and that's it.
Bernard claims that his confidence in the system is well founded because the design of the components means they wear consistently together. For example, corners and edges wear at the same rate because of the way they have been manufactured. And because the edges mount so far back beneath the bucket, they are designed to give very good protection to the underside, a key KVX design benefit. He also found that they are not prone to snapping off. Bernard is also quick to reinforce Dave Cappell's message that their management of the system is of utmost importance.
We log them when we fit it, and we know roughly how many hours we'll get out of a certain area in the mine. So when it looks like its hours are going to get up, or when we should turn the cutting edge to get a full life out of it, we just jump in the ute and go and check it out basically. We're getting up around 800 hours. If they're turned and managed properly, they don't fall off. As I said, you fit them and forget.
The other major advantage Bernard finds is that when they have finished with the edges on the loader buckets, they can cut them up and use them as wear plates on their underground crushers, so they get every last bit of wear out of the components. He also agrees that the design and durability of the cutting edge provides further cost savings by reducing wheel spin and providing extended life for the high-cost component of tyres.
Well, you get less tyre spin for a start because you get better penetration.
There is little doubt that both supervisors find that a large proportion of their joint increases in production throughput is due to the quality and professional management of the KVX system. The icing on the cake is the high quality and prompt servicing of the product by Komatsu Australia.
We feel it is, because as I said, it stays on there, you're getting your full life out of it, it doesn't fall off.
Yeah, we've never had a problem we've always got spare parts at Queenstown ready to go. And yeah, we'll never have a problem getting bucket edges or anything.
Thousands of hours of operation across a fleet of machines at 3 different mine sites have proven KVX's superiority over conventional G.E.T. systems for Barminco. Substantial productivity increases have resulted from superior penetration, G.E.T. life, bucket and tyre protection, and minimised maintenance, which only KVX G.E.T. can offer.